India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students looking to build a career in the IT hardware and networking sector, CTS offers the trade of computer hardware and network maintenance. From offices and educational institutions to industries, data centers, and smart digital infrastructure projects, skilled computer hardware and network technicians play a vital role in ensuring smooth, secure, and efficient IT operations every day. In this one-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant computer systems, networking devices, diagnostic tools, and real lab environments. Students learn computer assembly, hardware installation and maintenance, and operating system installation, network setup and configuration, LAN, WAN basics, router and switch configuration, fault detection and troubleshooting, safety procedures, and practical problem solving through industry-relevant tools and lab-based training. Trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across construction companies, hotels, smart city projects, industrial facilities, start businesses, become entrepreneurs, and maintenance services. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. Learn today, lead tomorrow,